If you like to make money on YouTube just by creating videos about the famous creators, then you have to watch this video. Recently, I just added two new subscriptions on my YouTube, which is Blue and Shani. They both are creating videos about the famous YouTubers and they are generating millions of views on every single video. And if you look at this channel, it has around 1.5 million subscribers, even if these peoples are not creating videos from of themselves. If you go to the about part, you will see this channel only generated over a billion views, and you can do it also. And if you go to the social blade, you will see how much is theirs earning. You just have to copy and paste theirs ID on the social blade and you will see how much is theirs earning. For example, this channel you will see how much is earning from creating videos about other famous creators. You will see this channel is generating about 50 grand every month. And also next channel which is Blue, it is also generating millions of views per every shorts. And if you go and search on the social blade about their income, you will see it is earning around 70 grand per month. So you can do an eye because the trick is so easy, you just have to talk about the videos of other creators. Then if you wanna sort videos like this, you just have to talk about the other creators videos, especially the videos which are blowing up nowadays. And you just have to talk about them or you just have to recreate videos like them or showing other people's how much they are earning or how much they are getting and generating viewers. So it is so simple which everybody can do this. Just you have to start your channel, make it monetize and trying your best to generate more and more views in this niche. So this was our today's video. If you like these videos and contents, you just have to simply subscribe our channel.